Good morning, grade 6. How are you doing today? Okay, today we are looking at capacity. We are going on with that. So we are at number 6.2 and we start with 0,936 kiloliters times 100. Now you know that when you multiply with 100, you are going to make this number 100 times bigger, which implies that you will move this comma 2 spaces to the side. So my new answer will be point, point, moves 2 spaces because we have 2 zeros. My new answer will be 93,6 kiloliters. I do not change my unit. Next one, 5,216 liters times 1,000. I am going to make this number 1,000 times bigger. I'm going to move my comma in that direction to make the number bigger. 1, 2, 3. My new answer, 5,216 liters this time. Make sure you get the unit correct. Now, 0,005 kiloliters times 10. I'm making this number 10 times bigger, so I'm moving the comma in this direction. My new answer will be 0,05. 0,05 what? Kiloliters this time. Okay, next one, number 6.3. So now you know 156 milliliters times 10 will make this number 10 times bigger. So if I had a comma, it would have been here. But now that comma is going to move one space on, which will mean that this answer will be 1560. 1560 milliliters. Okay, now you've got to listen. Now I am dividing this same number by 10. When I divide, I make my number 10 times smaller. So now I will move my comma in the opposite direction. I will move it from there into that space. My answer will be 15,6 milliliters. Let's look at this one. 838 kiloliters divided by 100. 100 times smaller. At the moment, I have a comma over here. I'm making this number smaller, so I'm moving 2 spaces in this direction. My new answer will be 8,38 kiloliters. That's my unit. This one, 5203 milliliters divided by 1,000. I'm going to make this number 1,000 times smaller. At the moment, I've got a comma here, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, to the left, 1, 2, 3. My new answer, 5,203 milliliters. Now I'm going to show you a few word sums. You have to finish word sum 7A to G. I'm going to show you 3 examples. The first one, how much is 1369 milliliters more than 1,2 liters? So this one is more than that one, but I've got to work out by how much. So what I do, first step, if this says milliliters, I've got to change this into milliliters. I'm changing this one to milliliters because I don't like working with a comma. So 1,2 liters is the same as 1 liter, which will be 1,000 milliliters, plus that 2 is the same as 200 milliliters. Why? 1,2 liters is exactly the same as 1,200 liters. That's my milliliters, 200 milliliters and 1,000 liters. So that's 1,200 milliliters. So this 1,2 liter is exactly the same as 1,200 milliliters. So now if I want to work out how much this is more than that, it's a simple subtraction. 1369 minus 1200. 9 minus 0, 961. What? Milliliters. I am working with milliliters. So that number is 169 milliliters more than 1,2 liters. Okay, let's look at the next example. B. A pool contains 50 kiloliters of water, H2O, that's water. Kiloliters. That K stands for 1,000. 50 times 1,000 liters of water. If I use 2,500 liters of the water to water the garden, how much water will be left in the pool? So I'm going to change 50 kiloliters into liters. How do I do that? I say times 1,000. 50 times 1,000. I've got to add 3 zeros. That's 50 with 3 zeros. Now, if I remove 2,500 liters, it will be 50,000 minus 2,500. And then, let me do it. Don't make a mistake, write it out. And now, look where I write my units under the units, tens under the tens, hundreds under the hundreds, and thousands under the thousands. So if I do this quick sum, I will say 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Now I've got a problem. I'm going to borrow. So I'll borrow from the 5. That becomes a 4. That's where my 1 goes, and that turns into a 9. Then I have 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus nothing, 4. What is left in my pool? 47,500 liters. If I want to change that in kiloliters, I can do that, but it's not necessary. Then I will have to divide by 1,000. So if I divide this number by 1,000, it will be 1, 2, 3. My answer will be 47 kiloliters, 500 liters, or 47,5 kiloliters. Okay, number C. A glass has the capacity of 250 milliliters. So if I have a glass here, I can fill it with 250 milliliters of Oros. If I have a 7,5 liter container of Oros, how many glasses can I fill? I need to convert 7,5 liters into milliliters. That's my first step. How do I do that? Times 1,000. So 7,5 times 1,000, it's going to move 3 jumps. My answer will be 7,500 milliliters. Now they ask, how many glasses can I fill? This is the sum. It's a division sum. So it will be 7,500 divided by 250. 1 0 off there, 1 0 off there. 75 divided by 25, 3. 2550. 75, 3 times. What? 25 into 0, 0. Answer, 30 glasses of Oros can be filled. Okay, that's it, guys. This wasn't too difficult. Ridian, I hope you understood it. Jamie, are you still listening? Riley, I know you are listening. I hope you are listening, Riley. Okay, Giovanni, guys, have a lovely day. Bye, Jude. Bye, everybody.